Brad with Easy Tips and Tutorials, and today we're going to be on Google Sheets, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the product function. So if you're trying to multiply two cells together in a table or a chart or two numbers, it's best to do the product equation. So what you're going to do is you're going to double click on the cell where you want to enter in the formula, and you're going to press the equal sign, and you're going to type in product. So all these are different equations or functions that you can do, but we're going to look for product. We're going to click on that. It's going to ask you the two cells you're looking to multiply. So we're going to want to click on that cell and make sure that B5 is the cell that we want, and we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to put the other cell that we want to multiply it by, which is C5. And once we have those two cells entered in, we're going to press enter, and it's going to get the product of those two cells. And what's good about using the equations is if you want to change the number of payments or any number really, it's going to change the result over here automatically. So say, we have $1,000 instead. It's going to change it over here to 30,000. So I hope this quick video helped you guys learn the product function on Google Sheets. If this video helped you, give it a like, thumbs up. If I missed anything, please leave it in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.